We're going to keep this video simple. 7, 10, 13. 6 and 1 is 7, 3 and 4 is 7, 9 and 7 is 16, 1 and 6 is 7, 0 and 7. 9 and 0 both create 7. 2 and 5 is 7, 5 and 2 is 7, 8 and 8 is 16, 1 and 6 is 7. 3 and 4 is 7, 6 and 1 is 7, 9, 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9 on your phone. Between 1 to 4 to 7 to 2 to 5 to 8 to 3 to 6 to 9. 1 plus 3 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 3 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 3 plus equals 9. 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 equals all these numbers. The 10 area. 1 and 9, 4 and 6, 7 and 3 is 10. All 10s will create 1, 0. These will become all 7s. This whole row will become 7, and this whole row will become 7. Okay? Now, 2 and 8 is 10, 5 and 5 is 10, 8 and 2 is 10, 3 and 7, 6 and 4, 9 and 1. 13 group. 1 and 3, 4 and 9, 7 and 6 is 13. 7 and 9, excuse me, let me see this again. 7 and 6 is 13. Okay. 1 and 3 is 4. 4 and 9 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 7 and 6 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 4, 4, 4. So now we see in the 1 group 6, 3, 9, 9, 6, 3, 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 9, 18, 12, 18, 15, 9, 12, 6, 9, 3 totals. 12 is 3, 15 is 6, this is 9. Second section, 5, 8, 2 is 15 equals 6, 2, 5, 8, 15 equals 6, 8, 2, 5 equals 6. Okay, now we're going to go 5 and 8, 13, 2 and 5, 7, 8 and 2, 10, 8 and 2, 10, 5 and 8, 13, 2 and 5, 10. We see 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8 make 2, 5, 8. We see 1, 4, 7 is made with 3, 6, and 9. We see 3, 6, and 9 is made with 1, 4, 7. 7 and 4 is 11 is 2. 1 and 4 is 5. 7 and 1. So that's between the 7 and the 10 section. We'll create 7 and 10 is 17 equals 8. Since this is 8, 17, 0, 6 equals 23 will now equal 5. It equals 8 and 5. It's a silver matrix. 7 and 4 becomes 2. So in the 8 group, this becomes 2. In the 8 group, this becomes 5. In the 8 group, this becomes 8. 2, 5, 8. But this becomes 2 inside the region of 3. This will be a 3, 2, 8. This will be a 6, 2, 8. This will be a 9. This will become a 9, 8, 8. Sorry, this will be a 6, 5, 8. This will be a 9, 8, 8. 8, 9, 8, the high sky. This one over here, inside the 10, 13, 23, 2 and 3 is 5. This will be a 3, 8, 5. This will be 10 and 13. Number 23 plus 6 equals 29. 2 and 9, 11 equals 2. This is the birth, 29, the IT system. 6, 7 and 4 is 11. 1 and 4 is 5. 8, 5, 2. This is 3, 8, 5. 385, this creation of the spirit matrix. 3 times 80 and 3 times 5 is 255, 525. This is what the Mayans say, 25,625. 369, this is 11, becomes 2. This becomes 625. 6 times 25 is 150. This would run the Mars system because it brings up the Mars numbers. And this one is 5. This would be 955 or 595. And this one will bring up Einstein, 1776, and the runner of Neptune. And when I say this, when I say these things, what we have to do right now is we have to go to the specialists in the zodiac and the astrology system and in the constellations to know what these people have learned so I can bring my numbers into their realm and see the secondary relationship. Numbers go very, very far. It's not that simple. They've been doing this for a long time, and it was built before time, just like man. I mean, if you can't figure out, and if history books show that there is no history that man has ever come back to Earth, I believe only in the numbers we will see that man has been on Earth before. In fact, Earth has been recreated just for men, and they froze it in hell, and they threw these, let's say, these big icebergs down to Earth, and then they melted in their place, and they say, look, the mountains moved, and whatever else, hokey jokey, whatever it is. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Take a look around. Thank you for watching.